If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip. The question we're working on today is, evaluate the integral of dx over x squared times the square root of 4 minus x squared. Smash that like button and let's get started. So we want to find the integral of 1 over x squared times the square root of 4 minus x squared dx. So we're going to use the substitution x equals 2 sine theta. So that means dx is 2 cosine theta d theta. We substitute all this in, and our integral becomes 2 cosine theta over 4 sine squared theta times the square root of 4 minus 4 sine squared theta. Now that square root term is going to simplify, and that's the whole point of doing the x equals 2 sine theta substitution in the first place. So let's factor out a 4. So our square root is the square root of 4 times 1 minus sine squared theta. And as my good friend Pythagoras once told me, 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta. So our fraction is 2 cosine theta over 4 sine squared theta times the square root of 4 cosine squared theta. That's a perfect square, so we'll be able to simplify it. So again, 2 cosine theta over 4 sine squared theta times 2 cosine theta. We have a 2 cosine theta in the numerator and in the denominator. We could cancel them out. So now we're just left with integrating 1/4 cosecant squared theta. And we know that's negative 1/4 cotan of theta. Plus c, of course. Our question started with the variable x, so we better end with the variable x. So we use our substitution x equals 2 sine theta to rewrite it as sine theta equals x over 2, and we make a right triangle with the opposite side is x and the hypotenuse is 2. And we want to solve for cotan of theta. So the adjacent side will be 4 minus x squared. Again, use the Pythagorean theorem to get that. And our integral becomes negative 1/4 square root of 4 minus x squared over x plus c. Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Wesselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.